She also asked me for some lottery numbers. Fuck you.
$104. Scooby-Doo and Channel 2.
Why does this look like less of a peepo now, dude?
Yeah, but she didn't say yes to your marriage proposal.
See, I just gotta ask her again after she wins the lottery. There's no way that she can say no to me.
At Garajo, shit goes hard.
You know what I mean?
Wear her down. Great clip.
You know what I mean? I gave her the winning lottery numbers.
Who can't say no?
Egypt.
I can't. She's gonna make you sign the prenup.
I need some Gary come home in my life.
Lol.
Me too, dude. I could use some Gary come home right now.
Phofrf.
Why does this look less? Can I see the Field's birthday man again?
Yeah, Gary, come home.
I would play that right now if... Okay, there we go. If my hands weren't covered in clay. Okay, I think that's looking better.
That play looking bricked up. Fuck my
That shit's bricked up. I don't really think the vanilla bottle did much right here. But I think fuck it, dude.
It's it.
The hat, you mean?
Where is Funk?
Yo, Freckles. Stop leaving, Freckles. The funk leaves whenever you leave, dude.
Freckles has returned.
He's about to say BRB and then disappear again. Alright, I'm gonna put some funk on.
Too true.
Wait, I'm gonna try to load a couple balloons at once. Can I put...
The F in Freckles stands for Fong.
True. Okay, Fong. Deadly Fong.
What happened? He just came back again.
Frogger dance.
See what I mean, dude?
Frogger dance.
Luke, head back.
Stop leaving, Freckles. Alright, yeah, I was gonna put this on this clay on this parchment. Who got the dude? Who literally spilled water all over the fucking counter, dude?